Hello everyone and welcome to day 1. Today we are going to learn how to start a conversation, so how to say hello and goodbye. Don't worry if you don't speak French, I will explain in English slowly and step by step. And of course, we'll practice together. The first word you need absolutely is bonjour. Bonjour. It means good morning or good afternoon. Literally is good day because bon means good and jour means day. Listen again how to pronounce it. Bon jour, bonjour. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Be careful, it's not bonjour, it's not bon. It's not the same sound. You have to say bon. So be careful, it's not bonjour, bonjour. This is the American accent, okay? But you have to pronounce it with the French accent. Bon, bon. The sound on is here in your nose, okay? Bon, bon, jour. Bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. If you walk into a shop or you meet someone, you have to say bonjour. It's very polite and the French are polite, okay? You have to use it from morning until maybe 6 p.m., okay? And after 6 p.m., it's not the day anymore, so you have to say bonsoir. Bonsoir. You remember, bon means good. And soir means evening. Bonsoir. 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 Imagine you just walk into a restaurant, it's around 7 p.m. and you can say bonsoir. Une table pour 2 personnes, s'il vous plaît. Good evening, a table for 2, please. This sentence is complicated, but don't worry, you will understand and use it later, okay? So remember bonjour and bonsoir. Now let's learn a casual way to say bonjour, bonsoir, like hello in English. You can say salut, 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 salut. This means hi. You can use it with friends, people you know, or people your age, especially if you're young. Be careful because you can see a T at the end, but please don't pronounce it. Yes, there are a lot of silent letters in French, and the T at the end here is so you can see it, but don't pronounce it. It's not salut. No, please, no. Salut, salut. French is funny because salut also means bye in French, okay? So in English, you have 2 words, hi and bye, but we only have 1 word, salut. French is easy, isn't it? Do you know how to say goodbye in a formal way? For this, we need 2 words. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. When you see A plus U in French, it's the sound O. O. Like the letter O. Au revoir. Voir. Au revoir. Au revoir. This is the polite way to say goodbye. You can use it with anyone, anytime at the end of the conversation. Bonjour, au revoir. For this lesson, I want to teach you 2 more expressions that you may use. In English, you have a good day. In French, it's bonne journée. Bonne journée. So, bonne means good, but for a feminine noun. Maybe you heard about it, but in French, all the nouns have a gender, feminine or masculine. So here, journée is a feminine word, so the adjective bon, masculine, becomes bonne, feminine. Okay? The pronunciation is not the same. Bonne, bonne. Repeat after me. Bonne, bonne, jour. You know this word? Né. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. The pronunciation here is not j, journée. Non. J, j, journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Okay? And the last one for you. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Have a good evening is quite similar. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. You already know soir. You remember bonsoir? Good evening. So it's the same, but feminine. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Now let's go over all the words we've learned today. I will say the word first and you repeat after me. You repeat after me louder. This will help lock the word here, so you don't forget. Bonjour. 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 Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Salut. 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 Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut, au revoir, bonne journée, bonne soirée. It's just funny, but I think try to sing the words. It can help. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut. Au revoir, bonne journée, bonne soirée. Au revoir, bonne journée, bonne soirée. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut. Au revoir, bonne journée, bonne soirée. Okay, now a little quiz for you. Can you answer my questions? How do you say hello in French during the day? Well done. Bonjour. It's 8 p.m. You walk into a restaurant. What do you say to the staff? Bonsoir. 1 point for you. You're greeting a friend. What word can you use? Of course, salut. And how do you say goodbye in French? Yes, salut, the casual version, or au revoir. Okay, now imagine you're leaving a café in the afternoon. Yes, you can say bonne journée. Bonne journée. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Last question for you. You're leaving a restaurant at night. Bonne soirée, bonne soirée, au revoir, bonne soirée. Congratulations for today. In day 2, we learn how to ask how are you? And of course, how to answer this question. See you! Au revoir! Bonne journée!